Hello everyone, in this video I'll be guiding you through a step-to-step tutorial on how to fix Monopoly Go keeps crashing. If the famous Monopoly Go game keeps crashing on your device, then there should be various reasons behind the issue. The first thing to do is to ensure that your device meets the minimum system requirements for the Monopoly Go application. If your device doesn't, then the app may not run properly. Next, close off any backgrounds application running on your mobile device. Drag from the bottom of the page and then swipe the app card at the top. This will force close any other application running in the background. Now, restart your application. Open your Monopoly Go application from your app drawer. Sometimes this step can resolve temporary glitches. If you've not updated your application to the latest version, then you might walk through the crashing issue. Go ahead and open up your Play Store or your App Store. Search for Monopoly Go in the search box. Once you find the application, look for an update button. If you see an update button, tap on it to get the latest version of Monopoly Go app installed on your mobile device. Developers often releases updates to fix bugs and improve stability, so updating your application might do wonders in this situation. If nothing else works out, you can simply delete your Monopoly Go from your mobile device. Press and hold the Monopoly Go app from the app drawer and tap on Remove App. Tap on Delete button twice and delete your application. Once you've gotten rid of your Monopoly Go application, go back to your App Store or your Play Store and reinstall the app, and that might help you resolve your issue. Those were some of the simple steps you can follow to troubleshoot Monopoly Go crashing issue using your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with the next video. Goodbye till then.